Okay, good morning students. So today we are going to start volume. First, you understood what is meant by volume. Volume means amount of surface or amount of space occupied by an object called as volume. See here, you take a book and this book you keep in your bag. So this, how much space occupy this book? So called as a volume of this book. Okay, so this is the concept of volume. So in this lesson you remember only two formulas, volume of cuboid and volume of cube. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. By using this formula you find the volume of cuboid. Then you find volume of cube. In a cube, you know, making of cube by using square. Yes? So, in a square all sides are equal. In a square all sides are equal. So, volume of cube is length multiplied by length multiplied by length. Or you simply say that L cube. Yes? So, by using these two formulas you find the volume of cube or also volume of cuboid. See here, first you have already write these two formulas, but I am also again write here volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. L for length, T for breadth or H for height. Then volume of cube is equal to L multiplied by L multiplied by L or length multiplied by length multiplied by length, or in a bracket you write L bracket cube. So these two formulas you find volume of cube or volume of cuboid. In our first exercise, only diagram is given, so you don't do this. In exercise 19.2, first question is find the volume of cuboid. So length, breadth and height is given. So all these values put in the formula L, B, H and only do the multiplication. You know how multiply the numbers. First you do the multiplication of two numbers and then we get answer and then again multiply by with next number. So we get volume of cube or cuboid. Then find volume of cube. In a volume of cube only length of edge is given. Only length of edge is given. So to put this value, for example you take 5 centimeter. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125. This is the volume of cube, 125 centimeter cube, meter cube or millimeter cube, kilometer cube. In an area, you use units meter square, centimeter square, millimeter square. But in a volume, you use the unit meter cube, centimeter cube or millimeter cube. Always write down this unit. So, in exercise 19.3, find volume of cube whose age is 3.5 centimeter long. Here only length of edge is given. Okay? So cube of volume of cube whose edge is 3.5 centimeter long. So length of edge, first length of edge is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. So here 3.5 centimeter is given. Then find the volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to S multiplied by S multiplied by L. So write the formula first. Volume of cube is equal to S multiplied by S multiplied by L is equal to 3.5 centimeter multiplied by 3.5 multiply by 3.5 centimeter is equal to 3.5 multiply by 3.5. We get 12.25. 12.25. Yes or no? Or yes, centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. 3 times of centimeter. So write here centimeter cube directly. Meter into meter into meter. So write meter cube. Millimeter into millimeter into millimeter. So write millimeter cube. So 12.5, 3.5 multiplied by 3.5, then we get answer here 12.25 multiplied by 3.5. So again, you leave the decimal point, only do the multiplication here. 1225 multiplied by 35. 5 5 are 25, carry 2, 5 to the 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11, again carry 1, 5 on the 5 plus 1, 6, 0. Right here 0. Then 3 5 are 15, carry 1, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7, again 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, then add 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 7, 8, 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So 42,875. So write here 42,875. But decimal point here 1 digit or here 2 digit. Total counting is 3. So give the decimal point after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. After 8, write here decimal point. So your answer is here 42.875 centimeter cube. This is the answer of volume of cube. Then next example, second one. Find volume of cuboid whose length, breadth and height is given. Volume of cube, only length of edge is given. In a volume of cuboid, 3 values are given: length, breadth, height. Okay? So first write the given value: length, breadth, and height. Length is equal to 5 centimeter. Breadth is 90 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. All units are same, no problem. So you do the direct multiplication here. First write formula: volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Then we put the values: 5 centimeter multiplied by 90 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter. Right? Is equal to 1 is equal to. Then 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 30 multiplied by 90 centimeter cube is equal to, here in a unit place how many 0? 2 0. Here 1 0, also here 1 0. So first write 2 0. And 9 3 are 27. So 2700 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cuboid. Understood everyone? How to find volume of cube or volume of cuboid? Understood everyone? Okay. See here in the next. Find volume of cuboid whose length is 60 centimeter, breadth is 24 centimeter, and height is 2 centimeter. Same way. First you write given value. Length is equal to breadth is equal to and height. Length is equal to 60 centimeter. Breadth is 24 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. Then write down formula. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is equal to L is 60 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 2 centimeter. 60 multiplied by 2, 120. 62 is 12, 6 to the 12. 120 multiplied by 24 centimeter cube. Then 24 multiplied by 120. Here 1 0. So write here first 0. 24 2s are 48. 24 2s are 48. Write here 8. Carry 4. 24 1s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. 2880 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cuboid. The next fourth one. Find volume of cuboid whose length is 1 meter. Okay, this example you do it. Fourth one. Find the volume of cuboid. Length is 1 meter. So meter is converted into centimeter. Length is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You know. Then breadth is 50 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 50 centimeter. Then height is equal to 35 centimeter. Yes. You do it this example. Then fifth one. In a field, a water tank is 2.5 meter long, 2 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep. A water tank, length of tank is 2.5 meter. Length of tank 2.5 meter. Then breadth of tank is 1.2 meter. Breadth of tank is 2 meter. Then height of tank 1.5 meter. Height of tank is equal to 1.5 meter. All units are same, no problem. So write here first formula. Volume of tank is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is equal to length is given 2.5 meter multiplied by 2 meter multiplied by 1.5 meter is equal to, okay, 25 to the 50. 25 to the 50. Decimal point after 1 digit. So 5.0. 5.0 multiplied by 1.5 meter cube. Here 5.0 after decimal point 0 is no value. So you don't take a value. Only take here 5 meter. 5 multiplied by 15. 15 5 जा 75. 15 5 जा 75. But in our 15 decimal point after one digit. So your answer is here 7.5 meter cube. Answer is over. Not see this part. See?
No.
Don't move. See now? No.
No.
No. Okay. Write down fast, everyone.